Hello guys, Adnane from Adnane's Tech World here. This is my first video on this channel, so yeah, I hope I get a lot of support. But yeah guys, anyways, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass admin, for example, when you want to install a program. So you're not going to get the admin's password, but you're still going to bypass the admin message that normally pops up. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you. I don't have admin right now on this computer. It's just my dad's computer. I'm using an extension right now. Anyways, so first of all, you can go to the link in the description below. It can take you to Google Drive. It's a zip file. Click on download. Wait for it to download. Let's say it's a virus. It's not. Don't worry, guys. I've tried it myself. It's actually mine. So yeah. Not really, but yeah. So, and then you can finish installing. It's a zip file, so you don't need like a WinRAR or anything. So yeah, just drag it to the desktop, and then you see it's a zip file. Right click it, click extract, and you can see it. So yeah, go to the folders. And then here you're gonna have these 4 files. The one we want to use is the first one. So yeah, I'm gonna have. Sorry guys, my voice cracking up a bit. I'm gonna use another one. Wait, if I can only find it. Sorry guys, I'm using like extension. Okay, so let's look for downloads. Let's say for example I want to download, say for example VLC. I'm going to install it. As you can see here, there's like that little shield. That means you need admin to run this program. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, as you can see, administrator hack. You're gonna drag it to administrator hack. You're gonna open it with that, execute, and boom, as you can see, VLC media player setup. Next, already installed it, I think. So yeah, just gotta click on cancel. So I think yeah, that's it. Some installers don't work. Like for example, Avast doesn't work. Wait, let me try it first. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, So okay, that's sometimes might show an error, but yeah, most of the time it works. Some programs don't work, I have to admit. But yeah, some programs do work on with the .bat file. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was my first video on this channel. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.